Morning! Guys, I would like you to meet Alan, my brother-in-law. Yeah, welcome to my vlog. So mga pards, welcome back. Tagal-tagal na panahon tayong hindi nagkasama. Kasama ko yung mga aking kids, si Gabby, Nika, and Isabel, and of course aking my gwapong brother-in-law, si Alan, former Marines. Tama na, right? Former Marine, US Marine. So, samahan nyo kami mag tour dito sa San Diego, California. Ganda ng kotse niya, Silverado, Chevy. Housework, Alan. Okay. Yan si Alan. Bait. Kaya lang, hindi pa natin kasama yung aking little sister. Little big sister. Kasi hindi pa siya off ngayon. Ha? Dati little sister yun, pero ngayon, medyo lumaki ng konti. Konti lang naman. Mamaya sunduin namin mga later this afternoon. So right now, we're just enjoying our day. Very sunny. Where guys, we're going? Downtown San Diego. So, anong meron doon? Anong meron doon, Alan, sa downtown San Diego?
Just some scenery, the bay.
The bay. The iconic sailor, and are we going to see that one?
We can see that there. It's nearby. It's right there.
So yun, the iconic sailor, and the nurse, if I'm not mistaken. So ano yun eh? After World War II, so nanalo ang US over Japan. Kaya yun yung first kiss ng sailor doon sa nurse na kasama niya. Well, yun lang ang pagkakaalam ko. But we'll see the exact history of what happened. Right now, we're on the Olympic Parkway, going to a freeway. What freeway are we going to?
805.
805 freeway. So, yun. Pero pwede kami siguro mag HOV, the High Occupancy Vehicle Pathway, kasi apat naman kami para iwas traffic. Yun, so samahan nyo kami. See you! Sabi kayo? Oo mga parts, nag-park na tayo. Andun yung truck ni Alan, and ngayon magbabayad siya ng parking. So
oh, Daddy, it's the sailor.
yo, andun tayo. Hello, laki oh. So it's a citation for Oso Duque. So, ayan no. Nakita. Mhm.